Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the right mesh bag and preparing each bra. Fasten hooks and smooth straps to prevent snags. Use a fine mesh that keeps small parts contained while letting water flow. This protects underwires and delicate lace. Once done, group bras by color and fabric to avoid dye transfer and uneven agitation. Make sure not to overload the bag. Fill it about 2/3 full so items can move, which preserves shape and reduces friction during the cycle. Next, you set the machine for gentle care. Choose the delicate cycle and cold water to preserve stretch and prevent shrinkage. Add a mild detergent, about half your usual dose, because concentrated suds can stress fabrics. Put the mesh bag centered in the drum with similar lightweight items only, so the load stays balanced and the bag moves freely. Make sure to avoid high spin speeds. Select low or no spin when available to protect underwires and padding from crushing or warping. Finally, you remove bras promptly and dry them safely. Reshape cups and straps while damp and lay flat or hang by the center gore to keep elastic and padding intact. Do not tumble dry or place near direct heat. That breaks down fibers and shortens lifespan. If you find a loose underwire or a snag after washing, stop immediately, open the bag, and inspect the garment. Make a quick seam repair or rebag the item for a gentle hand wash if the damage looks extensive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.